All right. Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight it's going to be a shorter video. This video is for a product that I was watching Sal over at the Root Boy Cooks. He did a cook. He had a bunch of hot sauces, and he did a giveaway. Well, I won the giveaway. I don't think he really wanted to try this. This is a Melinda's 4X Reserve. It's a habanero sauce. So I won this bottle, and the crazy thing is, it's been a couple of months now. I've been super busy. I haven't got to taste it yet. And not only that, when he shipped it to me, I'm in Farmington, New Mexico. I think he said he wrote Albuquerque, New Mexico. So there was the whole thing with the Postal Service trying to find this bottle of Melinda's 4X Reserve. You know, the post office made him wait. They kept trying to find it, He had to call back, I don't even know. I don't even know if he got it back. And he finally gave up, and he just ordered me a bottle of it off of Amazon. What a guy, right? He didn't have to do that. He could have just waited till eventually the post office got it back to him. But he went ahead and ordered it, had it shipped to me. I guess he felt bad. It didn't bother me. You know, I mean, I understood. Sometimes packages do get lost in the mail. And anyway, I have not opened it. I did score the top so that I could just twist the top off. Okay, habanero hot sauce. This will be the first time trying it. I think I'll put a little dab on my finger first because I'm going to put it on some food. Yeah. Okay, so what I did was I made myself a couple of tacos with some Spanish rice. And so I'm going to pour this. If I can open up my taco, I just have meat and cheese in it. Let me see if I can do this so I can get it on camera to prove that I am going to put this habanero hot sauce in my taco. I'm not going to be too afraid to just put several drops in there. It has good flavor from what I could tell. All right. All right, Sal, this one's for you, buddy. Thank you so much, Sal. I mean, you know, Sal does giveaways every now and then, and I just happened to win it this time. I've actually won some of his spices that he used to send out, I don't know, 2-3 years ago. Anyway, Melinda's 4X Reserve. First time I saw Melinda's, it was at a chili store down in Albuquerque, and they had ghost pepper ketchup. So, you know, had to get some of that, right? All right, so here we go, Sal. Thanks again for sending that to me. I will definitely be using it. And here's my taco. Show you that it does have the habanero sauce in it. I have one without just in case, right? I'm sure it's going to taste delicious, so here we go. I gotta tell you, it's not all that hot. So I'm gonna add some more to my next bite right here in the front. All right, there we go. Second bite, a little more sauce. Well, I gotta tell you, that sauce, it's dripping everywhere. Melinda's 4X Reserve. It's a habanero hot sauce. And it's got the great flavor of habanero. It's not super hot. I mean, I like things hot. Somebody else might think this is really hot. But I don't like the stuff that's really hot, like, you know, ghost peppers and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you so much, Sal. I told Sal I'd do a video of it when I finally got it. And then I got it, and I've had it for at least a month. But man, you know, holidays, everything, just so busy. If you get a chance, go over to see Sal at the Root Boy Cooks. I'll put the link below so you can go check out his channel. He does some great cooks. He always drinks a beer. He's a great guy. Check him out. Hey, subscribe to him and show him some love. All right. Thanks again, Sal. Thank you all for watching this, and I hope you all have a great day. And get you some of this. I hear it's on Amazon.